14th. They are 3½, and they are upset because they weren't behaving and putting their toys away, and I told them unless they behaved and put their toys away, they wouldn't be able to put bread out for the birds. And so they had a consequence, didn't you boys? You had a consequence to your actions. Yeah, sure. Finn. Did you guys finish cleaning up your toys? All right.